When disaster strikes, the right gear can make all the difference, and it doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, we're counting down some Doomsday survival gadgets under $100 that are smart, reliable, and ready for anything. Let's dive in and get prepared. All the Doomsday gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30. Midland FRS Walkie-Talkies. These two-way radios are perfect for staying connected on group outings. With 50 channels and 142 privacy codes, you'll always find a clear line to communicate with up to a 36-mile range, depending on conditions. They're splash resistant, so they can handle the outdoors, and the mossy oak camo design makes them ideal for hunters. Plus, they come with features like animal call alerts, hands-free operation, and a vibrate function to silence the tones. The radios include everything you need: rechargeable batteries, chargers, and headsets, making them ready for action right out of the box. Number 29. Schrade Delta Bedrock Axe. This tough little camp axe is ready for whatever the outdoors throws at you. With a full tang design and a strong stainless steel blade, it's perfect for chopping, splitting, and general camp tasks. The rubber-wrapped handle gives you a solid, slip-free grip even in rough conditions. It also features a built-in hammer pommel for extra versatility around camp. At just over 11 inches long and weighing a little over a pound, it's compact enough to carry easily but tough enough to handle serious work. Plus, it comes with a durable belt sheath for quick, safe access on the go. Number 28. Night Vision Goggles. These high-tech night vision binoculars let you see clearly in total darkness, capturing sharp 4K videos and 36 megapixel photos day or night. Whether you're camping, wildlife watching, or just exploring after sunset, the built-in infrared illuminator and digital zoom give you a crystal clear view. The 3 inches HD screen makes playback easy, and with motion detection and anti-shake features, even fast-moving shots come out great. It runs on a powerful 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, so you get hours of use. Plus, it's waterproof, tripod compatible, and comes with a Type-C cable for quick transfers. Number 27. Giriaitus Gear Survival. This multi-tool is the perfect all-in-one gadget for any outdoor enthusiast, offering 16 handy tools packed into a compact, portable design with unexpected repairs. It's got you covered. It includes everything from an axe and hammer to pliers, a saw, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener. It's built for real-world tasks like setting up camp, fixing gear, or tackling whatever comes up in the wild. Plus, the carrying sheath makes it easy and safe to bring along on your adventures. Number 26. Survival Car Emergency Kit. This roadside emergency kit is a lifesaver for anyone who spends time behind the wheel. It comes with all the essentials to help you handle unexpected situations, including a digital tire inflator, first aid supplies, gloves, jumper cables, and a tow strap. The 12-foot jumper cables are perfect for giving your car a jump start, while the sturdy flashlight ensures you're visible when it's dark. Dealing with a flat tire, a breakdown, or just needing a quick fix, this kit has you covered with everything you need to stay safe and get back on the road. Number 25. Survival Rope Chain Saw. This 55-inch rope saw makes trimming high branches a total breeze with its sharp dual-action blades that deliver quick, clean cuts. Designed for efficiency, it easily slices through limbs with little effort, and the 360-degree rope setup lets you cut from any angle. The ergonomic handles are super comfortable, helping to prevent fatigue during longer cutting sessions. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for outdoor adventures like hiking, camping, or just working around the yard. Number 24. Hunting Broadheads. These 3-blade hunting broadheads are perfect for archery enthusiasts using traditional bows. They're designed for precision and powerful performance on the hunt. The screw-in design ensures a secure fit on your arrows, making them easy to attach and remove. Each pack includes 12 broadheads, so you'll have plenty for multiple trips or practice sessions. The sharp blades are built for effective penetration and reliable accuracy, ideal for both beginners and experienced hunters. Number 23. Inflatable Camping Lantern. Need extra light at your camp because the fire's not cutting it? Check out the inflatable Go Anywhere Camp Lantern. You can roll it up like a little burrito when it's not in use, and when you need it, just unroll it, blow it up with a few breaths, plug it into any power source, and hang it with the included carabiner. Super simple. It comes in several sizes, and the large and extra large versions even have a dimmer switch so you can set the light just the way you like. Number 22. Hooyman Extendable Tree Saw. This extendable tree saw is perfect for outdoor adventures like hunting, camping, or survival situations. It extends up to 5 feet and collapses down to just 12 inches, making it super compact and easy to carry. The saw has a durable aluminum construction and a sharp, high-carbon steel blade with impulse-hardened teeth for efficient cutting. It's designed for easy maneuverability with a no-slip H grip handle and a wrist lanyard for added security. Plus, it's lightweight at only 2.3 pounds. Number 21. Mini Multitool Keychain Knife. Mini keychain knives offer impressive versatility in a compact design, making it a practical addition to your everyday carry. Equipped with a 1-inch serrated tanto blade, it's perfect for small tasks like cutting rope, opening packages, or making quick fixes. The built-in carabiner clip makes it easy to attach to keys, backpacks, or belt loops, keeping it accessible at all times. Lightweight yet tough, it's ideal for outdoor activities like camping and hiking. Designed for portability and ease of use, it's legal to carry in most states, ensuring it's a discreet and reliable tool for your daily needs. Number 20. Electronic Survival Flare. Perfect for boaters and maritime adventurers, this LED distress light is a reliable upgrade from traditional flares. It sends out a strong SOS signal visible up to 10 nautical miles and can last for 60 hours, far surpassing the requirements for emergency signaling. The set also includes a bright orange distress flag for daytime use and a loud whistle for extra sound signaling, all meeting USCG safety standards. Designed to float higher on the water for better visibility, it's compact, reusable, and eco-friendly, making it an efficient, low-maintenance solution for emergency situations at sea. Number 19. Survival Gear First Aid Kit. This all-in-one survival kit is packed with 250 essential tools and first aid items, carefully selected by survival experts to handle just about any emergency. Camping or prepping for a natural disaster, it's got you covered with gear like a folding shovel, axe, fire starter, emergency tent, and more. The included first aid kit comes in a bright red pouch for easy access and visibility. Everything fits into a durable, water-resistant, MOLLE-compatible bag that you can strap to your pack or vest. Number 18. Exod's Monolith Shelter. Tired of the same old camping routine? Get ready to see gear that will completely change your outdoor experience. This is a smart and eco-friendly way to live safely and comfortably, even in harsh environments. Its monolith-shaped design is made from strong, environmentally friendly materials and comes with good insulation, solar power, and water recycling systems. The shelter can handle extreme weather and natural disasters. Inside, it's roomy and practical, with plenty of space for living, sleeping, and storing your things. Number 17. Teton Backpack. This isn't your average hiking backpack. It's built for serious adventures without the serious price tag. With a roomy 65 liters capacity, it's got space for all your gear, plus a dedicated sleeping bag compartment and handy pockets to keep everything organized. The adjustable torso system and padded lumbar support make it super comfy. You're a beginner or a seasoned backpacker. It's tough, breathable, and made to handle everything from weekend hikes to long treks. Number 16. Scotte Windproof Lighter. This handy little gadget packs serious survival power into one compact tool. On one end, you've got a windproof electric lighter that charges fast and works even in rough weather. No flame, no fuss. Flip it around and there's a bright flashlight with both normal and strobe modes, perfect for camping or emergencies. But it doesn't stop there. This also includes a 5-in-1 magnesium fire starter with a ferro rod, scraper, whistle, and tough paracord. Built for over 16,000 strikes at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, it's reliable in any condition. Number 15. Tactical Medical Solution. This tourniquet is built for quick, effective bleeding control in emergencies. Its design makes it easy to apply with one or two hands, whether on an arm, leg, or even a hard-to-reach area. The compression band slides smoothly and the rugged buckle allows you to adjust it snugly, ensuring maximum pressure to stop bleeding fast. The windlass, made from aircraft-grade aluminum, has a textured grip for added control. Plus, the assistance clip keeps the windlass secure until you lock it in place with the tri-ring, preventing any shifts during movement. Perfect for critical situations when every second counts. Number 14. Micro Wind Turbine. The Micro Wind Turbine by Niels Ferber is a small and portable wind generator designed for convenience. When folded, it's compact enough to attach to a backpack, making it easy to carry on the go. Once unfolded, it can generate up to 5 watts of power when the wind blows at about 18 kilometers per hour, enough to charge small devices through its built-in USB port. The design is also scalable, meaning the size of the turbine can be adjusted to fit different situations or power needs, making it a versatile tool for outdoor adventures or remote locations. Number 13. Tactical EDC Pouch. Tactical EDC Pouch is designed for durability and everyday use, making it ideal for keeping your essentials safe and within easy reach. Made from rugged nylon, it's built to withstand both outdoor adventures and urban environments. The interior features a soft velvet lining to protect delicate items like phones or cards from scratches. With a large main zippered compartment, an additional internal pocket, and a mesh section for smaller items, this pouch keeps everything organized. Number 12. Fairwin Tactical Belt. This tactical belt is built tough for everyday wear and heavy-duty tasks alike. With a quick-release buckle made from strong alloy, it locks and unlocks with a single press. No pinched fingers or jammed springs. The stretchable nylon webbing moves with you, so there's no need to constantly readjust. Even after a big meal, you're on the job, at the range, or just running errands. It's comfortable, reliable, and holds up under pressure. Ideal for law enforcement, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who needs a solid, no-nonsense belt that works as hard as they do. Number 11. Alarm Perimeter Device. This perimeter trip alarm is built tough and reliable, making it a great off-grid security option for any setting. It's made from high-quality materials and works with various blank rounds, so you don't need electricity or the internet to use it. If you're keeping an eye on a campsite, garden, or remote property, it alerts you to any intruders or wildlife. Lightweight and easy to pack, it's perfect for outdoor activities like hiking and camping. With options for different primers and an optional digital adapter, this alarm offers flexible, dependable protection wherever you go. Number 10. Highwild Tree Stand. This gear hanger is perfect for keeping your bow and all your equipment close by while you're in the stand. It extends up to 23 inches and can be folded flat for easy transport. You can adjust the hook to any angle you need to keep everything within arm's reach. It screws into dense hardwoods with no tools needed for setup. The main hook is rubber coated to protect your gear, and there are 3 additional hooks for hanging smaller items. It's a must-have accessory to keep all your gear organized and accessible while you're out hunting. Number 9. Grappling Hook. Tough Grappling Hook is built for serious outdoor use, making it a reliable tool for all kinds of adventures. With its strong 4-prong design, it gives you a solid grip for climbing, retrieving gear, or reaching tough spots. The 65-foot rope extends your reach when you need it, hiking, camping, or prepping for a survival situation. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack, and the stainless steel construction ensures it's durable and weather resistant. Number 8. ACLIM8 Combar Pro. This all-in-one tool combines 5 useful items in a single design: a hammer, an axe, a spade, a saw, and a knife. That means you don't need to carry a bunch of separate tools, but you still have everything you need for almost any situation. The handle holds a knife and a saw blade for cutting wood or other materials. The axe comes in handy for chopping tougher items, while the spade is great for digging or moving soil, sand, or snow. The hammer can be used for driving stakes or other simple jobs. Number 7. HotoEmergency Flashlight. This powerful little flashlight is built for way more than just lighting up the dark. With up to 1,000 lumens and a 240-meter beam, it's great for roadside emergencies, camping, or late-night car repairs. It features multiple light modes including strobe, SOS, and red warning lights with adjustable beams for any situation. A built-in seatbelt cutter and pop-up window breaker add serious safety value, while the magnetic base and rotating head free up your hands. Plus, its 3,100 milliamp hour rechargeable battery gives you up to 90 hours of runtime. Number 6. Basecamp Kelly Kettle. This ultra-fast kettle and camp stove combo is perfect for outdoor adventures. It boils up to 54 fluid ounces of water in just minutes using only natural fuel, like twigs or dry grass. So there's no need for gas, batteries, or bulky fuel canisters. Built from durable stainless steel, it's reliable in all weather and whistles when your water's ready. Ideal for camping, fishing, scouting, picnics, and emergency kits. It's lightweight, eco-friendly, and packs down down easily. Number 5. Antarctica Gear Winter Coat. Stay warm and comfortable no matter how brutal the weather gets with this heated winter jacket. Made from water-resistant soft shell fabric, it's built to handle the cold while keeping you dry. Inside, 5 carbon fiber heating elements heat up in just 3 seconds, covering your chest, back, and arms. With a powerful 16,000 milliamp hour battery, you'll stay toasty for up to 10 hours depending on the heat setting. Dual control buttons make it easy to adjust the warmth to your liking. Skiing, hiking, working outside, or just braving winter weather, this jacket's got you covered, literally. Number 4. Emblem Hand Solar Powered Flashlight. This no battery flashlight is a must-have for any emergency kit or outdoor adventure. It charges with both sunlight and artificial light, giving you 10 minutes of use from just 30 minutes under a lamp. Need light fast? Just crank it for 60 seconds and you'll get 8 minutes of shine. It's compact, super durable, and clips easily onto your bag with the built-in carabiner. Great for kids too. With up to 100,000 hours of use, this is one of those gadgets you'll be glad to have when the power's out or you're off the grid. Number 3. True Replaceable Folding Pocket Knife. This folding pocket knife is all about versatility and convenience. It comes with 3 stainless steel blades, 2 fine edges, and 1 saw edge, so you're ready for anything from slicing to sawing. The secure blade release system makes swapping blades quick and safe with no fuss. It's compact enough for everyday carry, yet tough enough for outdoor tasks, camping, or quick fixes on the go. If you're opening boxes, trimming rope, or cutting through brush, this knife gets the job done without taking up much space. Number 2. Thermoelectric Oil Lantern. This clever little lantern runs on more than just looks. It actually converts heat into electricity to power bright LED lights. Just light it up and the built-in thermoelectric system kicks in, giving you reliable illumination without the need for batteries or charging. It's perfect for camping, power outages, or cozy reading under the stars. Compact and easy to use, it's both a practical light source and a cool piece of gear for off-grid living. Number 1. XOP Aluminum Climbing Sticks. These climbing sticks are built for serious hunters who want a lightweight, no-fuss setup in the woods. At 34 inches long and just 3.2 pounds each, they're easy to carry and super quiet, perfect for stealthy tree stand access. The deep standoff brackets give your boots extra room, making climbs more stable and comfortable. With a patented locking system, they stack securely together without the need for straps, so packing and transport are hassle-free. Designed to integrate flawlessly with compatible tree stands, these sticks are strong, durable, and rated to hold up to 350 pounds. That's it for today's roundup. Let us know in the comments which gadget caught your eye or made it onto your wish list. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.